Welcome to Ask Miyaki. Let's get real. How many times have you wondered what makes some people instantly attractive? Forget pickup lines, expensive cologne, or pretending to be someone you're not. Real attraction isn't about looks or scripts. It's about how you make others feel. It's that invisible energy, the vibe that draws people in and makes them want to be around you. This is what creates lasting relationships, whether romantic, friendly, or professional. Today, I'll share 5 psychology-backed secrets to becoming naturally magnetic. No tricks, just real shifts in mindset and behavior. Ready? Let's dive in. Your vibe enters the room before you do. People sense your energy instantly. Nervousness repels, calmness attracts. Think of someone who walks in with relaxed shoulders, gentle eye contact, and a quiet confidence. That's magnetic. This presence starts with your internal state. Before any social situation, pause and breathe deeply. Inhale for 4, hold for 4, exhale for 6. This calms your nerves and centers you. Remind yourself, you have value just as you are. No need to perform. Your body language broadcasts your mindset. Stand tall, relax your shoulders, keep your arms open. Stand tall, relax your shoulders, keep your arms open. Open posture says, I'm approachable and confident. Imagine your energy as your theme music. Choose a calm, inviting track, not a frantic one. When you're grounded, others feel safe and drawn to you. You don't need to be loud or flashy. Just be present. Practice mindfulness and self-acceptance to cultivate this calm. Before you enter any room, check your energy. Is it rushed or relaxed? Consciously choose to project calm, self-assured vibes. Let your posture and breathing introduce you. True confidence is quiet and doesn't need to prove itself. When you embody this, people will feel it and want to know you. Secret number 2. Stop trying to impress, start trying to connect. Listing your achievements or trying to be the most interesting person in the room often backfires. People crave genuine connection, not a performance. Shift your mindset from, how can I impress, to, how can I connect? The most magnetic people are great listeners. They make you feel seen and valued. When someone shares something, look them in the eye and say, that's interesting. Tell me more. Be curious, not performative. Ask open-ended questions and listen actively. Authenticity is magnetic. Own your quirks and be honest. Focus on discovering who the other person is, not selling yourself. Set a simple goal. Learn 3 interesting things about them. This takes the pressure off and makes conversations fun and meaningful. People remember how you made them feel, not your resume. Let go of the need to perform. Embrace curiosity and connection. Ask, listen, and invite others to share their stories. That's how you become truly memorable and attractive. Who doesn't love to laugh? Humor is a universal connector. You don't need to be a stand-up comedian, just be playful and present. True humor is about finding joy in the moment, not performing rehearsed jokes. Kind, light-hearted humor is attractive. Mean-spirited jokes are not. Self-deprecating or observational humor shows confidence and relatability. If you spill coffee, laugh it off. If you notice something funny, share it. Playfulness signals you don't take yourself too seriously and are fun to be around. Consume clever, kind humor to train your brain to spot the funny in everyday life. Don't force it. Let your natural playfulness shine when the moment is right. Humor should build bridges, not walls. Make someone laugh, and you'll instantly become more magnetic. The next secret, listen like it's the first time you've ever heard their story. True listening is rare and powerful. Put away distractions and give your full attention. Make eye contact, turn your body toward them, and show you care. Don't hijack the conversation with your own stories. Stay in their world. Ask thoughtful follow-ups. What was that like for you? Or, how did that feel? Reflect back what you hear. Sounds like that was a big moment for you. This makes people feel safe, valued, and understood. Deep listening builds trust and sparks real connection. People remember how you made them feel. Be the person who makes them feel heard. Practice being a conversational host, not the hero. Listen for emotions, not just words. Your thoughtful presence is more attractive than any clever line. Give the gift of your attention. It's unforgettable. The final secret, self-respect is the foundation of true magnetism. Know your worth, set boundaries, and don't seek validation from others. People who respect themselves have full, interesting lives and aren't afraid to say no. Boundaries aren't rude, they show you value your time and energy. Quiet confidence comes from within, not from trying to please everyone. If someone disrespects you, address it calmly and clearly. People will only respect you as much as you respect yourself. Prioritize your needs, take time for yourself, say no when needed, and protect your energy. Self-respect attracts people who value and respect you in return. Start small. Say no to something you don't want to do, or carve out time just for you. The more you practice, the stronger your self-respect becomes. Treat yourself as valuable, and others will too. That's the ultimate secret to being truly magnetic. Those are the 5 secrets to natural magnetism: energy connection, humor, listening, and self-respect. It's not about changing who you are, but letting your authentic self shine. Focus on being present, kind, and confident, and you'll attract the right people effortlessly. Be a destination, not a pursuer. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more psychology and self-growth tips. Drop a comment with the tip you'll try first. I read everyone. I'm Miyaki, and this was Ask Miyaki. See you next time.